go take a peek down at the dam, and why wouldn't we? It's such a beautiful night. There's a spinning away back there, boys. Oh, yeah, let's not forget this is one rocky son of a bitch here. Yes, it is. Almost every hard knock you feel on this bike, you hear that front drive shaft shattering. So I'm going to say that stiff boot, putting that on the place over under the real soft and supple one is a really good idea. Stops that shaft from floating in and out, shattering. It's well worth the pain in the ass it is to slide the bit forward, take out that shaft.
What's going on, buddy?
Hey!
Did we pass it?
What?
Trail?
Gas it?
Pass it.
Passed it, did we?
I don't think so.
There was a trail back there. 50%, pretty good. Come on, baby. I want two fuel. Yeah, we did.
I think it's back here. I think so. I don't think it's down this trail.
No, there was a trail right back there.
That's where it is, eh?
Cool. Look at that powder, boys. That's awesome. We got the two-wheel peel going on now. Oh yeah. Front end pushing out. Ass end coming around. Woo! Little ways, right there, right there. Got the trail you're looking for, buddy? No? Woo! Yeah! Uncharted territory for me, boys. So we're just gonna kind of feel it out. Somewhere down there. Good tires. Good tires. Not so great for maybe the nastiest of stag. But geez, I bet you they do well in just the bucket foot, you know, like without that grass and shit that comes, really holds into your lungs, doesn't drop out, you know. Are saving our asses here because we ain't got no brakes.
Yeah, can't wait to test out the deep snow.
Don't worry, buddy, I'm here trying to stay behind your powder. Oh, Jesus. Can't see shit. Eye wash station. That's what it is. With needles. Stiffen the suspension. It seems to kind of, I don't know, we're taking some hard shots. Well, I'll be damned. Yeah, I know. Pretty lame. Goggles off.
Well, we made it.
Well, yeah,
Hey?
of course.
You can hear it from here.
I'm toasty. I'm warm, but
Yeah, me too.
there's no worries about the cold.
Too. It's just my goggles are pieces of shit.
Yeah.
Don't tell the wife, but a box came in my name at the Petro. And I'm like, what on earth is this? I don't know what this is. Don't know. Better check it out, right? Of course they're gonna check it out. My name's on it. And there's the nicest little blue goggles you ever did see inside that box. I was like,
could have been Santa Claus's fault.
oh.
Blame old Saint Nick.
No, that's gonna be sweet because look at this. Look at the water over here, man.
Yeah, yeah. Just taking a peek here. Yeah, we did. Right on.
Looks pretty killer. Jeez. Get the bikes in there right now. Be a nice picture, get them just on the thin ice right there. Hey, take your bike around and just park her right there on the good ice.
Right there on the good ice.
On the good ice, yeah, and I'll get a nice picture from you.
All right. I'll jump right on that.
Yeah.
We hook up a couple of those floaties to each side of the bike, and I think I might be able to accommodate you.
You can do it.
Whew.
This is a nice spot.
Yeah, it is.
This is the fucking boring side, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
This is the fun side over here.
Like a raging bunch of Can-Ams in a river.
You know, it's flowing a lot better than it was last time I was here.
Yeah, they got her moving some gallons.
Right there's that's a wash bay for your bike. It's a wash bay for my bike.
Yeah, I think she'd get her clean.
Yeah, I think you would. Hope we can get down there and get a look at that shit. You don't want to go down in here though, it looks a bit iffy.
No.
I think you could though. I was here in the summer and it was just trickling out.
Yeah, I know. I saw the video. It was beautiful.
Now it's really happening. Oh, we can get down there.
Yeah, that's a shame the young lad snapped himself an axle. He'll have to get a hold of his friends at Warthog.
Get a hold of the friend at Warthog and replace that Warthog axle.
Oh, you think you're going down that route?
I think so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I just about went down all right. Right down there. Not into that. Woo! As much as you boys would like to see it.
I don't know what's water and what's ice here. That's the iffy part about it, eh?
Oh, yeah. Great idea, Nas Boss.
Yeah, why wouldn't it be, right?
Well, we're in the shit now, bud.
You know, I'm not so sure the camera's gonna pick up this low lighting, but I hope so.
That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah.
That looks pretty cool.
Should I lean out there with them, boys? Or you think we might just want to let that slide?
If this goes that way, well, just hang on, buddy.
I'd rather you didn't.
That's where you need those ice picks, eh? Then you
There's
can
the
just fit
thumbnail.
right in.
Ready? Thumbnail.
I get hung up on those logs, not a big deal. Should be a cold ride home though, wouldn't it? Nah, this is beautiful down here, folks.
All right, boys. We'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Hey, all you need now is a blur.
Yeah.
Life would just be all right, wouldn't it?
Thank you. We'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. We don't need you bugging us about quitting smoking, trying to climb up this hill right now.